Desulfurization gypsum, also known as smoke desulfurization gypsum, sulfur gypsum, or FGD gypsum. The main composition and natural gypsum, calcium sulfate dihydrate. The main motor of the desulfurized gypsum ball press is transmitted to the reducer through the belt, and the reducer is transmitted to the drive shaft through the coupling, and then a pair of open gears ensure the synchronization of the two roller shafts. The passive roller is supported by the piston of the hydraulic cylinder. The constant pressure type is supported by the inclined iron, and the hydraulic circuit. Hydraulic control the material from the storage bin through the quantitative equipment evenly into the hopper of the molding machine by the regulating ram on the hopper adjustment, so that the material evenly into the middle of the roller. The roller is compressed by the constant speed reverse operation. The unit forming pressure of the material from small to large. The forming pressure reaches the maximum at the center line of the roller. After the material through the line, the forming pressure quickly becomes smaller, so that the material depelleting state smoothly